The explorer's first laboratory. This is where it all begins. Between 12 and 24 months, a child's world becomes their very first laboratory, a place to test, explore, and understand how everything works through movement. And to understand this stage, we first need to understand one guiding principle. From observation to physical manipulation. During this period, learning shifts dramatically. It is no longer just about watching, it's about doing. Children begin to intentionally act on their environment. Every push, pull, lift, and release becomes a form of thinking in motion. Motor control doesn't just move the body, it drives curiosity, autonomy, and cognitive growth. As this desire to act grows, one milestone changes everything. Locomotion. When a child learns to walk, their laboratory expands. Suddenly, the world is no longer something to observe from one spot, it becomes something to explore freely. With every step, curiosity accelerates. But movement alone isn't enough. As children gain access to the world through gross motor skills, they begin refining how they interact with it. This is where fine motor skills take center stage. Hands become more precise, grasps become intentional, actions begin to serve a purpose. And when we pause to observe closely, clear patterns begin to emerge. Children move through distinct stages of manipulation. From simple banging and mouthing, to stacking, nesting, and aligning, to finally using objects intentionally to achieve a goal. What looks like play is actually early engineering in action. This progression leads to a powerful cognitive shift. Functional play. The child no longer asks, "What can this do?" but instead, "What is this for?" This is hypothesis testing, a child building their first theories about the world through action. And just like any scientist, the process repeats. Observe, experiment, repeat, master. Through this cycle, children refine their movements, test outcomes, and build understanding, again and again. And this is why these early experiments matter. What happens between 12 and 24 months is not just play. It is the foundation of thinking. Through mastering movement and manipulating their environment, children build confidence, problem-solving skills, and the structures that support future cognitive, social, and emotional development. The first laboratory builds the future scientist.